Over here, I've got a version of an experiment called a kicking wire. So right here, I've got a magnetic field set up between two spherical magnets. And then running between them, I've got this wire. The wire is getting current from my voltage supply box. Right now it's getting just 1 volt, so almost nothing. And then what I'm going to try and do, let me see if we can get it to work. Got my phone right here. Now, as I increase the voltage up to 2 volts, you can see the wire kicks and moves. So every time the voltage changes, that wire is going to kick until I set the fault on here. Now, another thing I can do, this is a DC current. So as voltage comes out along my red wire, it's going to come out along here, and I've got voltage going to the right. My magnetic field is going from here to here, so we're pointed that direction, which means I can get an induced force that's going down, according to the right-hand rule, right? Voltage, V cross B is equal to F. So my force is going to go down, so as I increase my voltage here, the wire tries to jump down every time until I fault it. All right. The other thing I can do is if I change my voltage constantly, so if I take it and I go from a DC voltage to an AC voltage going through my wire, what's going to happen is I will have voltage going one direction 1 second, and then a fraction of a second next, it will jump to the next direction. If I do that in a magnetic field, the force is going to reverse back and forth, and I should be able to get a wire to vibrate. So if you look really close, it's really hard to see right here. Mostly because my phone wants to focus on the magnet. But the wire is vibrating just a bit. In fact, we can make it a little bit better. If I come over here and grab a second magnet, let's see if I can do this without hurting myself. There we go. So now if I increase my magnetic field, we're able to see that vibration much, much more effectively, where I'm able to get a nice standing wave on my wire here. So, once again, the current going through, the voltage going through, crossed with the magnetic field. Oh, it's hard to focus on my hand when I can't see things. Creates a force that pulls the wire down. Because it keeps swapping directions, I keep going up and down and up and down and up and down, and I end up with this vibrating wire. Cool.